I've never thought, why do I do this job? Because there's always a good reason and it's worthwhile. Education is always in flux and it's always changing, much as we think it doesn't. And I think now more than ever, there is a big conversation happening about how students should be educated. And what I learnt on Mind Lab was to think outside the box. Students don't go out into the world and use the skills they learned in science there and the skills they used in PE or maths there. They use those skills wherever they go. Today we've been doing stop frame animation with my year 9, and they were trying to show me how the particles behave when there is a change from one state to another. At the beginning of the lesson, I went through the outcomes that we were expecting, and they weren't just outcomes to do with the science, they were outcomes to do with the use of the IT, to do with how they were working together, who was going to do what and how are they going to come together. So it was skills outside of my subject. It was still delivering the content, but it was covering wider skills than that. I stopped being a teacher of my subject and started being a teacher of students, because I realised that there's skills I can teach through my subject which interlink with other subjects. So I've done a lot more cross-curricular interaction. It's quite exciting because when you see your subject from a different angle, it kind of opens up your own subject for you. As a teacher, I feel like I'm preparing my students better for the world than before. They aren't just learning science anymore.